y'all to look at this picture. Remember, we have been talking about how things move. So today we are going to be looking, and we're going to do some investigation, and we're going to be doing some experiments to see how some things move. What do you see here in this picture? What are these?
Bubbles.
Bubbles. Well, do you think bubbles are heavy or light?
Light.
Light. How do you know they're light? How do you know if a bubble is heavy or light? Yeah, how do you know that?
Because when you touch it, it's going to pop.
Oh, whenever you touch it, it's going to pop. Okay, Ethan?
And we can see through them.
We can see through them. That's very good thinking. I like that. Well, I want you right now, I want you to close your eyes. Close your eyes. Everybody close their eyes. I want you to pretend like you are outside in the pretty green grass and you are a bubble floating in the air. Okay? I want you to think about, what does it feel like being that bubble floating? Boys and girls, we are going to go ahead and talk about the next part. And can you tell me, what did you feel like when you were a bubble? What did you see? A plane? Wow. What did you see?
I saw a girl.
You saw a girl. Okay. Sam? A fly? Cool. Rayon?
I saw a trash can.
A what?
I saw a place to drive out home.
Oh, you saw a driver going home? All right. Sophia?
I saw a helicopter.
All right, boys and girls. I really liked what Sophia said. Sophia said that she saw a helicopter when she was a bubble. Well, today we want to talk about what makes them go. We want to find out what makes them go. So we're going to look at this poem first, and we are going to see about some other things that will be going ahead. So let's see. Hey, use your legs and arms to show just how all these things go. A jet plane flies, a big bus drives, a big boat, a blue boat sails, trains roll on rails, rocket ships blast up so fast. Some are fast and some are slow. Do you know what makes them go? I want you to tell me in this poem, what things were moving? Can you raise your hand and tell me what things were moving? Moved. A jet. What makes a jet move? Hold on, Ethan. The diesel? You are right. They have to have gas. Okay, boys and girls, today we are going to talk about how we're going to make these airplanes. Okay? So we need to first find out a little bit of information. I have 2 pieces of paper that we are going to make some helicopters out of. I kind of keep saying airplanes, but we're making helicopters, okay? So if Miss Mena makes a mistake, that's what we're doing. But I want you to tell me, what's the difference between these papers? Look at this paper. Look at how it's bending. You can feel it. Okay, would you like to feel the paper? It's soft? Good. Now, I want you to look at this paper. And this is our cardstock, what we call cardstock paper. Okay? Now, look at it. Does it move the same way the other paper did?
No.
A little bit, but does it do the same thing? No, how not? It's not going to bend as much? It's not as soft? Huh? It's heavy. Okay. So we said it's heavy. And you said it's not bending. Okay, what else? Oh, I think we need to take a vote. All right. So the regular one here And then we have the cardstock. If you think that this one will be the best one for a helicopter,
I'll make a...
you raise your hand. Okay? Well, wait, we're going to, don't worry. Okay, so we have Ethan, Nicholas, cardstock. Now, if you just raise your hand, you can't raise your hand again. Who thinks that this heavy one is going to do it? You already raised your hand, honey. So we have 3 people who think it's going to be the hard one. And a bunch, let's see, 10, 12 people think that it's going to be the regular one. All right? Now, let's see. You ready? Okay. Boys and girls, I want you to tell me, because now that we have this, I need to know why. Why do you think that this light paper will be the best paper for your helicopters? Rayon, why would this be the best paper? Because it's soft, okay? Jill, it's soft. Are y'all when y'all say soft, do you mean because it bends real easy? Yeah. Is that what you mean? Yeah. Okay, so are you trying to tell me because it's light and not heavy? Is that what you're trying to say? Yeah. Okay, okay. So y'all are thinking it's because it is light. All right, Ethan?
It's because my brother made one and it was hard.
Oh, did y'all hear that? He said this one because his brother has done this and his brother used a soft piece of paper for it. Good job.
For his project.
Okay, for his project. Good job. Okay. So then the 3 of you who said the hard one, why is it that you think this one's going to be best? Alvin, why do you think this heavier one's going to be better for flying? Esther?
Because it's too fluffy to carry.
It's too fluffy to do what? I want you to look at it. The first thing that we are going to do for our helicopter is cut all around the dark black edges. Okay? Watch Miss Menon what she is going to do. I am going to cut along the black lines. You see how I cut that one off? We are going to fold. All right? Do you see right here where you have these? You're going to fold this in. Watch Miss Menon.
This is solid. What is the solid?
And cut it right here and right here. Make sure your scissors only cut a little bit.
Holding, right?
Put your one helicopter up and let it go.
Okay, awesome.
All right, take the other one. Okay, let go. Okay, do it again. Oh, it went all the way over there? That's great. Okay, try it again. Try one. Go ahead, let it go. If you're floating through the air. So today is a good time, and you're going to tell us, oh, it's a big airplane. You're going to say what it feels like to be that bubble, remember? Okay, are you watching? There we go. You need to watch the bubbles, and we're going to talk about what's making them go. Well, if I can get it to work. Okay. Are you watching the bubbles? You think the wind is making them? Whoa, look at that. I didn't even have to blow it. Whoa. Are these bubbles moving fast or slow? Wow, look at that. Say Murphy is right in the line of fire of all the bubbles. Whoops. Yeah, it is, isn't it? He's taking a bubble shower. Okay. Now, girls, now we all have our bubbles. And remember, we're going to either blow bubbles or like I was doing a while ago, I kind of just held it and let the air blow it. Watch it and see, how is that bubble being made? What is causing it to move? And see if you can figure out if it is soft. And how, did you see how it moved? Are y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. Do your bubbles. And watch all the bubbles come. Don't blow too hard or you won't get many bubbles. Just real soft.
Why did it go faster?
It went fast. Look at Miss Minnie's bubbles. They're going. There you go, Alvin. Woo! Uh-oh, Miss Gardner's getting bubbles. Woo! Do you see it? All right, now we got a little music to go with the bubbles, huh? Okay. All right. Is that cool? All right. Go ahead and put the lids on your bubbles. Put the lids on your bubbles. Go. And y'all been talking about, we're talking about how our helicopters worked outside. Ethan, what did you say happened outside when you were working with your helicopters?
We were putting our, like this, and they didn't find a way, and then we were doing that. And then we fell on the floor doing that.
Okay, so he said that when y'all went out, y'all put them at high and you let go, and then they went for a little while and fell down, and then that's when y'all had to go pick them up. Bayo, what did you notice that happened when you did yours?
It can fly in the air, it can go over there.
Yeah, okay, went up in the air and flew away from you? Okay. Well, let me ask you, Rayon, that helicopter that just kind of went straight down, was that the regular paper one, the soft one, or was it the stiff one, the harder one? Do you remember which one that was? So the soft one. So for you, the soft one didn't work. Okay. Well, I want to make sure because we do want to find out what made that not work. All right. Who else? When y'all were blowing your bubbles, what did you notice about the bubbles? Did they go farther than the airplanes?
Yes.
They did? Why do you think they went farther than the airplanes? What did you say? Why do you think that they went farther?
Because the wind was pushing it.
Because the wind was pushing. Well, when we were talking about which helicopter worked best, which one did you find worked best? Was it the regular paper or the hard one?
The regular paper.
I heard a lot of you saying the regular paper. What is the difference between these two? What made this work better?
Soft one.
Because it was soft? Very good. Okay, so let me ask one more question. Boys and girls, could you have made your helicopter different with a different type of paper to make it do it better? Or do you think what you had was good? Good? Which one was good? The soft one or the hard one?
The soft one.
The soft one. Very good.